Yamaha MT-03 Best Beginner Motorcycle. For those new to motorcycling, finding the perfect balance between performance, ease of handling, and style is key. The 2024 Yamaha MT-03 shines as an outstanding choice for beginner riders looking to make their mark on two wheels. Combining user-friendly features with a sporty design, the MT-03 delivers a ride that's both approachable and thrilling, making it one of the best beginner motorcycles available today. At the core of the MT-03 is a 321 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine that produces approximately 42 horsepower and 29.6 Nm of torque. This engine offers smooth, linear power delivery, allowing new riders to confidently explore throttle control without fear of being overwhelmed. The MT-03's lightweight chassis and manageable power output create an ideal package for developing riding skills while still offering enough excitement to satisfy those eager to push their limits. One of the MT-03's most attractive features for beginners is its compact and nimble design. Weighing in at just about 168 kilograms, wet, the bike is easy to maneuver through city streets and tight corners. Its low seat height of around 780 mm ensures that riders of varying heights can comfortably plant their feet when stopped, which helps build confidence in stop-and-go traffic or parking situations. The MT-03's chassis features a diamond steel frame paired with adjustable telescopic front forks and a rear monoshock suspension setup, delivering a smooth and stable ride on a variety of surfaces. This combination offers good feedback and control, allowing new riders to develop cornering and braking skills with confidence. Front and rear disc brakes, enhanced with ABS, ensure reliable stopping power and added safety, crucial features for those still mastering the basics of motorcycling. Styling is another area where the Yamaha MT-03 stands out. Inspired by the aggressive dark side of Japan MT series design philosophy, the bike features sharp lines, a compact LED headlight, and a minimalist tail section. This modern aesthetic appeals to young riders looking for a bike that looks as good as it rides. The digital LCD instrument cluster provides clear and essential information such as speed, gear position, fuel level, and a gear shift indicator, important aids for beginners learning to monitor their ride. Additionally, the upright seating position combines comfort with sportiness, reducing fatigue and making the MT-03 suitable for both short commutes and longer weekend rides. Affordability and low running costs are also significant selling points. The Yamaha MT-03 offers excellent fuel efficiency and requires minimal maintenance, making it an economical choice for riders who want to enjoy motorcycling without excessive expenses. In conclusion, the 2024 Yamaha MT-03 is an exceptional beginner motorcycle that balances performance, style, and user-friendliness. Its manageable power, lightweight frame, and modern features provide an ideal platform for new riders to build confidence and skill. For anyone stepping into the world of motorcycling, the MT-03 is undeniably one of the best beginner motorcycles of the year.